Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Well, in today's video, we are going to talk and show you a very common problem that happens to almost all auction cars and Facebook marketplace cars. Because, you know, remember, I'm telling you, you got to buy these cars and save money. So I'm going to show you how to fix one up. So let's get all into it. I'm gonna touch on a lot of subjects, okay? So just check it out. So you're gonna need to jack up the car. So you wanna check, tell you what we're gonna check out. We're gonna be checking out, we're gonna find out about the inner tie rod, the outer tie rod, the lower ball joint, the upper ball joint. We're gonna find out about the bushings on here. We're gonna probably touch on the stabilizer. And we're going to talk about checking these. So pick it up, make sure you got a good spot, jack it up. This one is right here. Yeah. You can tell because the frame is attached right there to those pull bars. So do not put it on the, do not ever jack up from there. It will be right here on this one. Okay, so first step, what you're going to be doing is you're testing for outer tie rods and stabilizer links. That's the 9 and 3. And you'll see right there. So you go to 9 and 3 position, wiggle it back and forth. You know, don't be afraid of it. Get aggressive with it. You can even go to the corners, because what you want to do is you're trying to hear knocks and it'll be a thump sound. You're looking for that type of thing. You're testing the outer tie rods and the stabilizers at the 9 and 3 and at the corners. But you're also going to want to go to 12 and 6, and that's going to be to test the upper and lower ball joints. So you do these different tests and you'll come up with a conclusion. If you hear bumps and nicks and all kind of noises, this one you got to take the wheel off and get into it. In this important footage coming up, you will get a chance to see and hear what it actually sounds like when you're troubleshooting it. You hear that? A little slight noise. That might be just the outer tie rod. So you get a slight noise. Now you gotta take the wheel off and get into it. This car, you can drive it, you can feel that there's some things going on. Strut. Look like it could definitely use some struts too. And then you test the other side.